Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I've got a laundry life hack for you. I've got another laundry life hack for you. Got a load of towels going right here. Got some towels. Got a problem though. Empty. Empty. That's actually just a little, if you hear anything in there, it's a little water in there. Try to water it down. Try to get the remaining bit out of there. If we look in the powder department, empty. Everything is empty. I need to pick up laundry supplies, but I've got a load running. What do? Here's a laundry life hack in case you run out of laundry detergent. What do you do if you run out of laundry detergent? Well, as you can see here, Arm & Hammer, this is my favorite brand of detergent. It's empty. This label looks damn near identical. Look at this label. That's carpet powder. Look at this label. That's laundry detergent. It's the same product. So, go ahead, grab your carpet powder and just dump some carpet powder in there. Clean clothes, clean towels. That's a life hack. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, tell your neighbors, your friend, your neighbor's dog. Reach over the fence, give them a treat and say, hey buddy, Silly Reviews.